Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings, scroll all the way down and select General Management. Scroll down again and select Reset. Once you scroll all the way to the bottom, again, you have Factory Data Reset. And when you click on it, it will give you a list of data that will be removed by this process. One of the more important parts of this list will be things like music, photos, and user data. If you keep anything in your device that you want to preserve, make a copy of it to something like your device. Now, I do want to be very clear and honest here. When it comes down to Samsung, it's the most dogshit thing that you can experience right here with the backups. It will work absolutely flawlessly if you're using Smart Switch, which is accessible to you on other devices or on your computer. But that will limit you to restore the data only to another Samsung, which is pretty effing annoying. And when it comes down to copying the data manually to your computer or something like that, at least in my experience, when I was trying to copy it from Fold 4 that I was using that broke, it would always give me some shitty disconnection throughout copying all the data. So I needed to painstakingly basically move folder by folder manually, just so I'm aware of what actually finished copying and what failed. And then just attempt it again if it failed. And additionally, I was unable to copy the data to my old device, which still works, even though it's like a 5-year-old device. Well, Samsung Fold 4 broke on me after using it for less than 2. And using the like smart or phone clone or whatever we have on Huawei's, again, without any kind of effing reason, it would disconnect. And now, this is not something that Huawei is to blame for, because I have used this before and it worked flawlessly with other companies. It's just Samsung that is absolutely trying to prevent you from being able to, easily copy data from your Samsung, because how dare you ditch their device? So just keep in mind, if it's disconnecting from a literal hotspot that the two phones create when copying the data over, it's not the phone that you're copying it to that is failing. It's just Samsung being an absolute effing cunt and trying to just stop you from being able to do this. So, with that being said and out of the way, we can now select Restart, assuming you have managed to painstakingly create a backup copy of your device manually. So you can now reset it. Now, when you begin this, it will take about 2 minutes to finish up, and once that's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.